Hello, I'm Canon Andy, the Canon presenter of Winchester Cathedral, and you join me from the inside of Winchester Cathedral's great exhibition organ. We here at the Cathedral are, with great hope, looking forward to a spring, maybe we pray post-COVID, and certainly in the liturgy and music department, things are really looking up. It's been a really exciting week for us. Three things particularly come to mind. By the time you're watching this, we hope to have invited somebody to become the new sub-organist alongside the wonderful Claudia Grinnell, to be starting sometime in the term to come. To already, I hope, have appointed a new bass lay clerk to join our singers and bolster our numbers as we seek to rebuild our choir after COVID. And also, and that's the reason I'm standing in here, we'll be meeting with our organ builders and restorers, Harrison and Harrison, and our new organ restoration team, who are going to be guiding us through the restoration of this great musical and worshipping machine in next year. This time next year, the project will have already begun, and you'll hear all about the restoration of the cathedral's organ in the months to come. Not every single part of our worshipping life is as elaborate, intricate and exciting as this is, but every single part of it's really important, and every one of you, wherever you're joining worship from around the world, however often or rare that is, are equally valued. God needs pipes of all shapes and sizes, and we do value your contribution by joining in our community of praise here at the Cathedral. May God bless you in the week to come. We hope to see you at church.